There's only one reason the cherry picker is out. There's plenty of reasons why this thing is in the air, but today it's in the air because we're gonna pull the motor out. And nothing's wrong with the motor that I know of. I mean, it's still same old motor. But I ordered a reseal kit for it, and we're gonna do the top end and some thumper stick. So it's gonna be like a bunch of days. The stuff doesn't come until next Wednesday, and so basically I'm gonna get off work my 2 hours, pulling as much as I can off nice and neatly, and then go to bed, work graveyard, come back, rinse and repeat. So as of yesterday, I pulled the intake off and we drained the radiator fluid. So my goal today is to drain the transmission, get the drive shaft off, the radiator out of the way, and maybe pull the transmission off of the input or off of the bell housing. So that's the goal. So for now, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and get to chopping, which, I mean, shouldn't be that bad. I'm excited. I've cammed a whole bunch of buddies' cars. Never cammed my own, but then again, I never wanted to pull the motor out because I didn't want it to. I don't know. It was running. It's been running for 5 years. I didn't want to, pull it out just because I wanted to do a cam or something. But now, after helping Rashawn's, or helping him he did most of it. I just showed up and helping him out. Now I'm ready for some thumper. So I'm gonna put y'all on the old gimbal or whatever you want to call it. Not a gimbal. I think that's a good spot for it. Yeah, I'll put you on time lapse and get to work. Booyah. Well, my GoPro battery paused. I thought I was recording time lapse for the last bit of it, but I got the trans mount off, everything under the car drained, and honestly I forgot how easy it was to pull the trans out with the motor. So we're just gonna do that now. So I went ahead and put the cherry picker on. I'm draining the power steering right now. The only thing that's still connected is the starter. That's it. And if I'm not mistaken, we can pull this whole motor out without having to pull the manifolds off, or maybe just the driver's side. I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure we'll be fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna put you on the charger, start getting this prepared. I'm gonna go pull the starter off real quick, and we're gonna yank her out. But yeah, it's only been 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I've already got it ready to pull. Car's really not that, I'm pretty sure it took more time putting it in the air than it did to get it ready for pulling. So I'm gonna get y'all on the charger real quick, get get this starter knocked out and we'll yank her out. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Alrighty, well, I got a little carried away, but I went ahead and lowered my front. This is how I take the motor out of this car, because I don't have a tubular front end, so that front end's huge, the cross member is. But, you know, I don't know if you can see it, and of course the ass is in the air, the nose is in the front. When you do it this way, with the T56 on, it is a walk in the park. Just look how much room I got in there. I got so many room, oh wait, wait a minute. There's so much room for activities in here. It's insane. But yeah, you could tell I was due for a nice seal. But I'm gonna put y'all on the S10 real quick and see if I can't yank her out on my own. I do remember this part being a pain in the butt on my own. But once I get the oil pan to there, then I could just man heave it over. So, yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna get y'all on the old S10 here. That's a good, yeah, it's good, it's good. Also, I don't know why it's not charging very good. Actually, before we do anything, I gotta take off the cable, power cable. Thingy-mabobber. Oh yeah, don't mind me just having a dangling LS in the air. What size is this? It's a 3/8. Pretty sure I need a 10. And the one time I need a 10, it'll be impossible to find because the motor's hanging in the air. Oh, I know where a 10 is. I don't know what that is. There should be loose enough. Not much enough, I lied. Need a 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You probably need a 15 too. That's my guess, is a 10 and a 15. So, you got the 10 right. Hell yeah, brother. Loosen it up. Little bracket holder. Usually I'd recommend getting somebody to come help you, but I've done this on this car for, let's see, the 304 twice, the 4.3 liter twice, the 360 3 times, and then the LS once. Actually, this is my first time pulling the LS out. Literally, we got it in there, it started working right, and we just never touched it after that, so, which is pretty cool. Okay, all right. Come on now, shall I? It's hard to do with a mashed finger too. This makes this whole process a little bit excruciating. Come on now. Come on now, muchachos. You what? Oh. Fuck that. Is it easy to hold on to? Yep. Yep. All right. Ground. Ground is off. Now I just need the stupid 10 mil off. God, how long are the threads on this? Stupid 10 mil. I don't remember the threads being this daggone long. I also forgot to drain the oil. So that's a couple extra pounds. I didn't forget to train trans though. Okay, we're back. We're back. You're back. Now I just gotta get the harness all out of the way over here. Drive-by cable, wires, holly wires. Everything seems to be out of the way. Here comes the fun part, and that is putting this bitch pulling this El Chubby mofo out of the car. I will admit it's not my favorite part of the process. I'm also going to chop this fucking piece off too. Oh, you heavy mother trucker. Oh, the O2 sensor. Huh. Do not forget about that. Okay. It never ceases to fail me to miss something. You're wondering what I missed there. The grounds for the harness that go to the cylinder head. Now, now everything's out of the freaking way. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jacking her up. Jack her up. Jack her up. Jack her up more. Start pulling her in. Up, out. I think out is the word I'm looking for. Jacking her up. Jacking her up. Almost there. Almost. Oh shit. I ain't good. I ain't good at all. Oh. Something. Well, I think when I put the thing back in, I'm definitely going to pull the battery out. We're going to just arc the whole motor. That's almost there. A little bit more. There she is. All right. She's up there. She's definitely in the air. Come on, you did. Definitely need two hands. Or not two hands. Two sets, I think. Oh, you fucker. You mother trucker. All right. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm right there. Just got to pull it. Okay. Woo. Okay. Oh. Whew. Okay, so the GoPro is dead and it says SD error. So I'm hoping my footage of pulling this motor is not gone. But we got it pulled out before the GoPro died. And yeah, we're pretty much going to end it here. I obviously need footage. I need cameras, SD card space. And I want to cool off and take a break. I don't want to dig into it just yet. I'm waiting. I'm going to go pick up a cherry picker for my father-in-law. Then we'll get into breaking her down and checking everything out on her. But there she is, boys, in the flesh. Motor's out. Actually really easy to pull out of this car. It's insane. But I'll see y'all in the next video.